Well, everyone, we have done it. We have made it to this point where Shiba Inu has now officially been around for 4 years. Happy belated birthday to Shiba Inu. Yesterday marked this monumental occasion, and I think it is a big sign of what is to come for Shiba Inu. We got to reflect on where we've been, but the future is so bright. And I want to tell you guys why this is. Now, I started covering SHIB actually back in 2022, July of 22, and we've dealt with a lot of things since then. We got down into the depths of the bear market cycle, and SHIB managed to claw and scratch its way towards a massive surge to begin this early market. All right. SHIB actually climbed over 50% of the way to its prior all-time high. That's very difficult for assets to do early on in the bull market cycle. Now, yes, price hasn't been great lately. We've dealt with a lot of just negativity in the overall market. We've dealt with consolidation for months and months now from before the halving. And you need to understand that this is a normal thing. This is normally what we do during this time. And this also means we know what tends to follow here. All right. Now, I didn't own SHIB when I first started talking about Shiba Inu. I mostly just reported and talked about what I was seeing, but that's changed over time. I looked at fundamentals. I looked at how strong the community was. I looked at the big benefits that Shiba Inu has. Deflationary supply. It's a decentralized asset. It's got a strong community. Hell, even during the time, Shiba Inu was one of the few coins in the space to not set a new cycle low during the bear market in 2022. Those are some of the biggest indicators for SHIB's strength. It wasn't actually until we dealt with the Voyager selling, but ton of SHIB entering the market that shouldn't have in the first place, that we even got down to these depths. And for some reason, people think SHIB is going back down here. No. The benefits that Shiba Inu had during that time have remained consistent. Not to mention the fact that SHIB is one of the most known assets throughout the world. It's one of the most heavily paid attention to. It's got some of the largest worldwide optics. It's available in basically every single exchange out there. And not even to speak about the long-term mindset of Shiba Inu holders. The benefits that SHIB offers are ones that, frankly, most of these other meme coins in the space don't. Now, this isn't to bash any other meme coins. I own some of these other ones. But frankly, SHIB has the right things going for it. Now that it's been around for 4 years and has been as resilient as it has, right, climbing heavily from the depths of where it started, becoming one of the fastest appreciating assets of all time, it's got a lot of room to grow in the future as we get into much bigger times of adoption, as there are bigger waves of capital and users flowing into the space. 4 years is a big mark. It means you're a mainstay. Not to mention the fact that after 4 years, Shiba Inu is on the verge of the top 10. It is a blue chip asset in crypto. It's not going anywhere. All right. As always, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. Some people will pick this apart. They'll look at, volume, for example. They'll say, oh, your SHIB's failing. Yeah, $264 million is not a small amount. But right now, as SHIB shows resilience in these ranges, more so like sideways trading than anything, this is actually a good thing. Look at the last 7 days for SHIB compared to some of the other meme coins in the space. Less volatile, showing strength in these levels. Yes, the last 24 hours have kind of sucked for most things. Bonk is doing well. But I really want you to think about what 4 years means for SHIB. All right. It means that it's strong. It means that it's got a solid community. And remember, during these times, SHIB has continued to gain holders. It's continued to have big optics. It's continued to prep itself for this next adoption wave in crypto. So I just wanted to take a moment to celebrate this. I'm excited for what the future holds. I'm excited that SHIB has continued to do as well as it has. And I believe SHIB is still going to shock a lot of people when the market starts rolling again. So appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.